Follow the steps below to find out how to make a schedule that will help your daily life. Go to Insert tab in your Word document. Then click on the button that says Table. Then just go down to Insert Table. Plan the table based on your hours. For example, for the columns, type in 8. For the rows, type in 16. You should adjust the columns/rows to fit your daily hours. Highlight the top row of the table. Then go Layout and click Merge Cells. Go to the row underneath. Write the days of the week in each cell. You should leave the very first cell because you will be putting each hour of your day in that column. Move on to the first column. Begin to type in each hour of your day, still leaving the top cell blank. Move into the cell that says Monday 8 a.m. and begin to write out your daily schedule routine. If, for example, you have a long class that lasts, then you should highlight those cells and click Merge Cells again. Then simply type in the event. Don't forget your title. The most likely title would be Daily Time Management Schedule, but you can choose whatever title you want. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.